So good morning class. Our next exercise is based on median. So what is median? Median is middle value. We need to get the middle term for the observations or the values given in the questions. Okay. So for the middle term means if there are 10 terms, if there are 3 terms, first, second and third, what you can see in the middle is this. Means if number of terms were 3, we need to get the second term. Means the middle term is the second term. How will we get the second term? Median was number of terms plus 1 upon 2, means second term. Okay, means it tells that if number of observations or terms are odd, then median, means our median will be second term. What will be the second term? If second term is said here, suppose 19, so 19 will be the second term. It is 5, it is 85, so our middle term is 19, so this is our median, 19. So median, if the number of terms are odd, then median will be, means if n is odd, that is n is equals to odd, mean number of terms are odd, then median will be n plus 1 by 2th term. Always remember, you can say first term, second term, third term, but not this 1.5th term or 2.5th term. The term are the exact places, means first place, second place and third place. So the middle is nothing. So n plus 1 by 2, if n is odd, suppose 5, so 5 by 2 is nothing. So when you will solve it, you will not get the value, but n plus 1 by 2, that is 5 plus 1 by 2, that is the third term. If there are 5 terms, means n plus 1 by 2th term. And again, if there are 4 terms, suppose, if number of observations, yes, this was our first part. Our second part, if number of observations or terms are even, then our median will be n by 2th term, but not only this, but n plus 2 by 1th term upon 2. How we can say this? Like there are 4 terms, or take 6 terms. Okay, what are the middle term? Look here, these 2 are coming as the middle term. 2 terms here, 2 terms here. If you take third term, so then there are 3 terms, here are 2 terms. This is not the middle. The middle will lie somewhat here. Okay, so what we will do, we will take this term and then find their middle term. Okay, if n was 6, number of terms are 6, so 6 by 2, that is third term, and 6 by 2 plus 1, that is fourth term. 6 by 2, 3, 3 plus 1, fourth term. So third plus fourth term upon 2. So this is our median. Okay, starting with the question. So we have to find median of these values. So first we will arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, we have to get the data in the arranged manner in ascending or in descending order, then only we will find the median. Okay, so here ascending order is, the minimum term is, lowest term is 22. Okay, then it is 31, then 40, then 41, means this has been taken. Okay, then after this we have got 52, then 60, then 61. We have taken 52, then 60. This is not 61, this is 62. Okay, we are left with 71, 81, 91 and 92. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 terms. So n is 11. That is odd. For odd, our formula for median was n plus 1 by 2th term. That is median is equals to n plus 1 by 2th term. That is 11 plus 1 by 2th term. 11 plus 1 is 12, 12 by 2 is 6th term. What is 6th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 60. 60 is our middle value, middle term here. Okay. So now you have to find the median of this. So first we will arrange the data in ascending order. So our value will be 107, then 111. 7, 11, then 18, 118. Then what after 118? It is 201. Then after 201 it is 215. Then 216. Then 219. Then 341. So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here n is equals to 8, that is even. For even, our formula was n by 2th term plus n by 2th plus 1 term. That is, our median will be now 8 by 2th term plus 8 by 2th plus 1 term upon 2 means 8 by 2 means 4th term plus this is 5th term upon 2. Here our 4th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 201. 5th term is 215 upon 2, that is 416 upon 2, that is 208 is the median. So our next is first 7 multiples of 4. Those are, we have to find the median of this. First multiple is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 multiples of it. And these are in ascending order as well. So n is equals to 7. That is odd. So median will be n plus 1 by 2th term. Here n is 7 by 1 by 2. Th term, that is fourth term. What is fourth term? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth is 16. So 16 is our median.